So I've been a maintenance manager, I've been a reliability engineer, I've been a plant manager, I've been a corporate reliability resource. Plus I've done them in numerous industry verticals, food manufacturing, consumer products, paper products, automotive, motorcycle manufacturing. So I can see how different industries relate, what's similar and what's different in the industries. I'm at IMC, and the CRL class is made up of a bunch of first-timers at IMC. And it's really a great group of individuals. They are sharing, they're getting involved in each other's stories. They're solving each other's problems or giving each other advice. It's kind of nice to just sit back sometimes and listen to their stories and help facilitate. This is truly a workshop that we're facilitating. It's not a training that we're doing one way. It's getting everybody's stories and everybody to share and get best practices working together. When you are working alone or in an organization that has the same think, you continue to work a problem the same way. And by interacting with each other, the students are able to see, oh, I can come at the same problem in a couple of different ways, and remove some of the frustrations that they've had because, okay, let's keep moving forward. We are on the right path.